Hello everyone, I am your teacher Gul Harris and this is Harris English Language Program. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Our class is about reading. Reading doesn't only improve your reading and your listening, it improves your speaking and activates the speaking power as well. So let's start our class today. Our class is about my classroom. My classroom. So let's start it. My classroom is a place where I spend a significant part of my day learning and growing. It's not just a room with desks and a board, but a space full of knowledge, discipline, and inspiration. Whenever I enter my classroom, I feel motivated to study and improve myself. The classroom is a clean, organized, and well arranged. There are rows of desks for students, a large board in front, and a teacher's desk. The walls are often decorated with educational charts, maps, and sometimes students' work. These decorations make the classroom more interesting and help us learn better. My classmates and I sit together and share ideas during lessons. The environment in the classroom is friendly and respectful. Our teacher plays an important role in the maintaining discipline and making sure everyone understands the lessons. He explains topics clearly and encourages us to ask questions. One of the best things about my classroom is the atmosphere of cooperation. We help each other with studies and work as a team. Sometimes we participate in group activities, discussions, and presentations, which make learning more enjoyable and effective. My classroom is not only a place for studying, but also a place where I build friendships and develop my skills. It teaches me punctuality, responsibility, and respect for others. Every day I learn something new that helps me become a better person. In conclusion, my classroom is a very special place for me. It is where knowledge grows, friendships are formed, and dreams begin. I will always remember my classroom as an important part of my life. Second part is the very important part. It's about 20 difficult words with Pashto and Dari translation. As usual, I just say the words 3 times. You repeat the words after me. Significant. 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 Knowledge. 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 Discipline. 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 Inspiration. Inspiration. Motivated. Motivated. Arrange. Arranged. 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 Next page. Decorated, decorated, decorated. Educational, educational, educational. Environment, environment, environment. Respectful, respectful, respectful. Maintaining, maintaining, maintaining. Encourages, encourages, encourages. Corporation, corporation, corporation. Participate, participate, participate. Discussions, discussions, discussions. Effective, effective, effective. Develop, develop, develop. Corporation, corporation, corporation. Participate is actually repeated. Participate, participate. So please write 3 sentences about these words. Out of 20 words, only 3 words. Write in the column box. Thanks for watching. It's Harris English Language Program. But don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I'm your teacher, Gul Harris. See you soon.